Bakit ba na lagi kong dala-dala Yo, shout out guys, another tutorial naman tayo, another song. So, isa sa mga latest na kanta ng X Battalion, no? So, nag-release sila, 7 kanta, 7 music video. Ito, 43 times ang title. So, Kastakli, Flo G, MC Ren, Brando at King Badger, no? So, wala dito si John Rowe at yung boss nila dati, si Bosswa, no? O si Honcho na. So, 4 chords lang ito guys, 4 chords, 4 to 5 chords ang ginamit natin at medyo may chord na mahirap. So, eto. Pero ituturo ko mamaya isa-isa niya, no? So, start tayo kaagad. Title nito, 43 times. So, eto, play ko muna. Pagkita ko ng mga chords. Ang first chord ay A major 7. So, pwede naman A. Pero, mas magandang tono. A major 7. Then, second chord ay 4th fret, G minor, G sharp minor 7. Pwede G sharp minor. Pero, recommended ko at tanggalin to, remove to. Yan. Para mas maganda ang tono. And then third chord ay itong medyo mahirap na chord nga. Sorry. Yan. So pause. Ilagay ko lang pangalan sa screen. Nandyan naman. At i-search nyo lang na isa-isa. So ito, dito. So medyo mahirap talaga, no? So dito. Itong dalawa. First set. Itong dalawa. Then dito third string ito. Second fret, and then last a second string. So 5th, 4th ang ring, third string, second fret, and then second string, third string to, then second string ang pinky. Okay, so silent tong pinakababa. So i-pause nyo na lang, no, and then search nyo ang pangalan sa YouTube, meron naman yan, isang note ng C ata to. And then ang fourth chord ay C sharp minor. So pwede namang mas maganda dito, pwede nang kahit D C sharp minor 7, pwede nang buong C sharp minor para maganda naman ang tono kahit D na 7. Ito C sharp, buong C sharp minor na lang. And then B minor. So yan ang lahat ng chord, no? 4th fret. 5 chords, and then ang strum ay ito. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Lagi kong down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So play natin na. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Then yung medyo mahirap na chord, down, up, down, up, down. Then C sharp minor, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up. So C sharp minor, B minor, down, up, down, up, down. Then pasok sa Kastakli. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. C sharp minor din, up, down. Then yung chorus, diretso tayo sa chorus. Lagi kong dala-dala, saan, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So ito lang talaga medyo mahirap po. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Lagi kong dala. So yan ang lahat ng chords guys, no? At yung mahirap, ito lang medyo mahirap. Ito pwede namang magbuong G sharp minor, pero recommended ko nga remove yung isa, para mas magandang tono. So kaya na bala mag-timing at sabayan yung audio, no? Ito at sa mga nag-uumpisa, i-search nyo lang, i-research nyo ulit tong chord na to. At i-post nyo rin, para masundan nyo ng mabuti. So hanggang dito muna tutorial sa mga next uploads natin guys. Bye bye guys.